In this video, I'll show you a few possible ways to map Google Drive as a network drive on your computer. The easiest and the fastest way to manage all of your Google Drive files directly on your desktop is through an app called CloudMounter, but I'll come back to that a little bit later. And if you hang out until the end of the video, I'll be including a discount code for 20% off your purchase of CloudMounter. So let's start by taking a look at everything in order. You can access Google Drive on the web by heading over to drive.google.com. Uploading files to Google Drive is pretty easy, where you can drag and drop or use the File Explorer. Uploading files, especially large ones, can take a bit of time. And if you end up closing the tab while you're uploading, the entire process will be interrupted. You can also view all of your Google Drive files directly on your PC using Google Drive for desktop. But this is software that you need to download first. It is free, but it does run a bit slow for what it is. And it doesn't even allow you to connect to Team Drive. Also, native Google Drive for desktop automatically syncs local files with the cloud, therefore taking up space on your computer with cloud files. In this case, it makes sense to use a third-party Google Drive client. So let's take a look at some of the clients available. CyberDuck is quite a popular app with good functionality, but it doesn't have any protection in place, which means you can't be sure about the safety of your data while using the app. This means you'll have to buy an additional cryptometer just to make sure that your data is encrypted. On top of all of this, CyberDuck does have kind of a complicated interface, making it a little harder to use. There's also Expand Drive. Expand Drive supports most services including Google Drive, but it costs as much as $50 per license and $40 extra for lifetime upgrades, which puts it on the more expensive end of the spectrum. Now that you know about some of the other solutions that are out there, hopefully you'll be able to see what makes CloudMounter even better. CloudMounter allows for connecting to some of the most popular cloud storage sites. This includes mounting Google Drive as a network drive on your computer. It has a super simple, easy to use interface, so you can drag and drop your files between Google Drive and your computer in just a few clicks. On top of that, CloudMounter comes with built-in client-side encryption, so you get the absolute most out of your Google Drive privacy while using it. In today's video, I showed you how to use CloudMounter for Windows. However, CloudMounter is also available for Mac and Linux platforms, and the Mac version supports a much greater number of cloud services. On top of this, the developer promises Android and iOS versions in the future. And the price is probably the best thing about it. CloudMounter costs just $44.99 for a lifetime license. And if you use the code below, you'll get 20% off your purchase of CloudMounter. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this one. Click the bell to stay up to date, and thanks again for watching.